O-Town is an American boy band formed from the first season of the reality television series Making the Band in 2000. As of 2015, the group consisted of Erik-Michael Estrada, Trevor Penick, Jacob Underwood, and Dan Miller. The lineup also included Ashley Parker Angel. Ikaika Kahoano was originally part of the band but was replaced by Miller after dropping out of the group. After releasing 2 albums near the end of the boy band fad of the late 1990s and early 2000s, the group disbanded in 2003. The group was originally managed by Lou Pearlman during their first season of Making the Band, but later managed by Mike Cronin and Mike Morin for their debut album and remaining television seasons. O-Town was assembled in 2000 for the first season of the ABC reality television series Making the Band. The group was named after Orlando, Florida, the city where auditions were held. In the selection process, Lou Pearlman and a panel of judges selected Ashley Parker Angel, Erik-Michael Estrada, Trevor Penick, Jacob Underwood, and Ikaika Kahoano. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.